The formula for calculating compound interest is A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R divided by N raised to the N times T. In this formula, A represents the total compound amount after a certain period of time. P represents the principal, or the original amount invested or borrowed. R represents the interest rate, N represents the number of compounding periods per year, and T represents the time in years. If we want to find the principal and are given all the values for all the other variables, we can modify this formula to solve for P, the principal. We do this by dividing both sides by the quantity 1 plus R divided by N raised to the N times T. And after doing this, we have principal equals A divided by the quantity 1 plus R divided by N raised to the N times T. As an example, let's say that someone invests some money in an account that pays 6.5% interest per year. The money is invested in the account for 3 years, and the interest is compounded quarterly, so 4 times per year. At the end of 3 years, the account has $6,067.04 in it. So what was the principal or original amount invested in the account? Looking at our variables, A is the total compounded amount at the end of the 3 years. So this is $6,067.04. R, the yearly interest rate, is 6.5%. And we must convert this to a decimal. And we do this by dropping the percent sign and moving the decimal 2 places to the left to get 0.065. N is the number of compounds per year, which is 4 because it's compounded quarterly. And T, the number of years, is 3. So now we can plug into the formula. We have P equals $6,067.04 divided by the quantity 1 plus 0.065 divided by 4 raised to the 4 times 3. 0.065 divided by 4 is 0.01625, and 4 times 3 equals 12. And now we have principal equals $6,067.04 divided by the quantity 1 plus 0.01625 raised to the power of 12. After the addition in the parentheses, we have $6,067.04 divided by 1.01625 raised to 12. 1.01625 raised to 12 equals 1.2134 rounded off. And now $6,067.04 divided by 1.2134 equals $5,000. So the principal invested in the account was $5,000. And here are a couple more examples on the screen for you of how to calculate the principal in compound interest, and the real key is to take your time working through the problem. All right, my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.